Imagine taking a shower and instead of feeling fresh, your skin ends up dry and itchy. You wash your hair and feel it becoming dull, sticky, or rough, losing its natural texture and even falling out, leaving you with low density hair. Your clothes, they are getting discolored and look old and worn out quickly. And your bathroom plumbings, it is getting clogged, leading to reduced water flow and pressure. You also see the white spots on utensils and bathroom fittings that just won't go away. On the top of these, your appliances like washing machine and geysers are breaking down faster than they should. Washing clothes and dishes have become a nightmare, as you are now use more soaps and detergents. But do you know, for all these problems, there is only one main culprit: hard water. Hard water can cause all these problems, making daily life more difficult. But do not worry, every problem has a solution. Let's find out about the most efficient solution of this problem in today's video. First, let's talk about water in general. But did you know that not all water is the same? That's right. Water can be classified as either hard or soft. So what exactly is hard water? Hard water is water that contains dangerously high levels of minerals, specifically calcium and magnesium. Soft water, on the other hand, has very low levels of these minerals. If you doubt whether the water that you are using is hard or not, you can carry out a water hardness test yourself. We would suggest using a water hardness test kit, as it is the best way to check the water hardness accurately. The water hardness kit comes with all the essential accessories and solution which are needed to check the level of water hardness. You can follow the step-by-step guide provided with the kit to check the water hardness accurately. Generally, the kit costs anywhere between 600 to 1000 rupees online. We recommend the brand Aquasol, as they have variety of options available. I would also like to mention one important point here. Many customers confuse between TDS and hard water. TDS is a measure to check the purity of water for drinking, and hardness of water determines the concentration of magnesium and calcium ions in your water source. If you are checking for hardness in your water, do not use a TDS meter, but use the hardness water testing kit. If you are facing hard water issues at your home, then best solution for the same is a water softener. You do not need water softener if your water hardness is below 60 mg per liter. Between 60 to 120 mg per liter, water softener is optional. Anything above 120 mg per liter, a water softener system is must. There are two main types of water softeners: point of use softeners and whole house water softening systems. Point of use water softeners are used in cases where you do not have access to the centralized plumbing system and hence want specific points in your home to deliver soft water. This type of water softeners includes bathroom kitchen softeners and washing machine water softeners. Bathroom kitchen softeners cost around 13,500 INR and washing machine water softeners cost around 5,300 INR. These water softeners use a non-electric process with simple 2 to 4 steps regeneration along with separate salt chamber. The user themselves can easily execute the process just by adding the required amount of the table salt in brine chamber and filling it with water. If you live in a house or a villa where you have access to the overhead tank, then a full-scale water softening system is recommended. These softeners directly provide softened water to the overhead tanks, making sure that your main plumbing system is also rust-free. The price of full-scale water softening system is more expensive than a point of contact softener, but the returns on investments are excellent in comparison. The full-scale system even makes sure your main plumbing system and tank are also safe from hard water, so no expensive repairs. ये आपके पूरे घर को सेफ रखता है, जिससे आपकी पीस ऑफ माइंड हमेशा बनी रहे। वाटर सॉफ्टनर्स का रामबाण है ये। Generally, for a water softening system setup, all the major brands will arrange a site visit to the place of installation, where the technician will review the water quality, plumbing arrangement, water pressure, and then suggest the model, capacity required, and placement of the water softening system. But please remember, the suggestions made by the technicians are indicative, and which brand to buy and model to choose is finally your decision. So choose wisely. Please note that in the near future, water quality is expected to become harder, as many cities are facing a problem of groundwater shortage, which is resulting in digging of deeper bore wells. Water softener is now no longer a good to have appliance, but rather must to have solution for your home water needs. Installation of water softener should be only done via brand service engineers. You can register your installation by calling on the brand toll-free number mentioned on the packs. Major brands like Kent, Zero B, etc. provide free installation service for their softeners. The service engineer will also provide a demo for the correct usage and maintenance of softeners on-site. Water softeners generally require regular maintenance to keep the system working at optimum condition. In water softeners, non-iodized crystal salt is key consumable and need to be topped up monthly. Other monthly maintenance activity includes checking the inlet hardness and treated water hardness using the water testing kit. Cleaning of the salt tank and anti-scaling of the tank is an annual activity which needs to be carried out by the authorized brand service engineer. These machines also have a pre-filter cartridge which needs to be cleaned every 20 to 30 days. The cartridge also needs to be replaced in approximately 6 to 8 months depending on your water usage, and costs around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. Generally, all the major brands provide 1-year warranty on overall product. This covers manufacturing defects, electrical part failures. Most top brands like Kent also have a 3-month warranty on the filter. Look at the warranty details on the brand you are buying before finalizing the product. Keep your bills handy and always contact the brand authorized service center for any service related queries. If you are looking for reliable water softener brands, here are some top recommendations: Kent, Eureka Forbes, 3M, and Zero B. These brands are experts in water softening solutions and have a dependable service network. In conclusion, hard water can indeed cause a multitude of problems in your daily life. But now you know the solution. By installing a water softener, you can protect your home and family from the negative effects of hard water. Life can sometimes be hard, but your water need not be. Stay fresh, stay healthy.